guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So in this video we're going to be talking about a Charlotte Tilbury product, one of our newest eyeshadow palettes, which is called EXXAGER eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I don't want to talk too much, let's go right into the video. Alright, let's talk about packaging first. So the product comes in a package like this. So there are instructions on how to really apply this product for beginners. So I think this is very handy if you're a beginner. So once you open the package, this is how it looks like. So it has, sorry, my fingerprints on it already and it's dirty. But this is how it looks like. So these are the colors that you get inside the packaging. Sorry, you can see me from that mirror there. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like from inside. So there are 4 different shades in here. Most of them are like rose goldy mauvey shades. So this one is a really glittery champagne shade. This is more like a rose gold shade in here. So this is more like brown. I don't know if the light is too much and you can't see anything, but this one is more like a rose brownie shade and another sparkly shade. So there are actually 2 shimmer shades, 1 sparkly shade and 1 matte shade, and there's also a cute little mirror. But anyways, so I'm gonna go in with the first color here. So this is a priming shade right there. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that. I'm going to use this mirror. I'm going to apply that all over my eyelid because that's what it says. I do the exact same thing on the other eye. Okay, I think I should have used the eyeshadow primer or something because look a little bit gray on my eyes. But anyways, so the instructions here, it says to use the second shade to enlarge the eyes. So I'm going to take that, concentrate on most of it towards the outer corner or the outer V of my eye, like that. Okay, now I'm going to use my big fluffy brush and taking this nude shade right there. Create a shadow and do the same with the other eye as well. Now I'm going to take this sparkly shade over there and I'm gonna put that on top, like the inner 1/3 of my eye. Because I think there is no definition to my eye, and I'm gonna apply that to the outer corner like that. I don't know. Let's take that shimmery shade or maybe this shade right here, and I'm gonna put that on the inner corner of my eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this look. I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyeliner, do some mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, so that is the finished look, you guys. So about the palette, I really love the colors in the palette, the shimmery shades. They are very unique and really nice. They blend really well, but the only thing that I'm a little bit disappointed is that they are not very pigmented. So if you have like a darker skin tone, it might not show very well. Yeah, so I paired it with Pink Lip from Physicians Formula, and the shade is called A Dose of Rose, and I just applied some eyeliner. That's it. Okay, so let's move on to the pros and cons of this eyeshadow palette. Okay, so let's talk about the good things about the palette first. I noticed about this palette is they are very blendable. So even if you're not like a very pro makeup artist, you are a beginner, you'll be able to get away with this palette. I think this is the same for all Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palettes, but I haven't tried anything yet. This is the first one I'm trying. But yeah, so it's really blendable. You can just put it on your eyes, do whatever, and it's gonna turn out very good. The pro about this palette is the packet itself, or the packaging itself. It's a really small, compact eyeshadow palette, so you can carry this in your purse and then off you go. So some of the good things about this palette, let's go ahead and talk about the cons of this palette. So the first thing about this palette is the shade range is not very expanded. This would look really good, gorgeous on ladies with lighter skin tones, paler skin tones. So I'm a little bit disappointed about that. But then you have lots of other Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow palettes that you get to try that has brighter shades. Yeah, so that is one of the cons that I wanted to point out. And the other one is the price point, you guys. It's very expensive. I know it's a luxury brand, and you are paying $66 for just 4 shades. That's a little bit too much, I think. Now, if you are like a dramatic eye makeup person, you wouldn't like this product, because as I said, I'm repeating it over and over again, there are no many shades in there, there are no bright shadows in there, all are muted neutral shadows. So if you like to create dramatic eye looks, then this is not for you. Okay, so my final thoughts are, I'm not at all negative about this product. It's not for me because of the high price range, and I can only create like one makeup look with this palette, so I don't think it's worth spending that kind of money. Yeah, so sorry if I had to say more cons rather than pros, but if you think this product was worth the money and what were your thoughts, please feel free to share that in the comment section below. So yeah, that's all I've got for you guys today. I'll be coming up with more Charlotte Tilbury product swatching or trying out videos, because as I told you, I bought a whole bunch of them, so I would like to try them on camera. That's all I have for you guys today. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and join our family, and until we see again with another video, I love you guys. Bye.